I'm gonna show you 4 ways to find slope. Way 1 is graph. 2 points on a line, table of values, and equation of a line. And to find a graph, you need a graph like this. And you need points. I have -3 and -3, -1 and 0, 3 and 1. And so you plot that on your line, on the line that's already there. -3, 1, 2, 3, and then -3 down, and then -1 on 0, and then 3 up and over 1. And then you count how many rise over run. You connect the dots like this, like triangles kind of. And then that's, you go 1, 2, 3 over 2, and it should be the same on every one of them. So it's 3, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, and 3, and over 2. And then if you would keep on going, the line would still be like that. So the slope, it goes rise over run equals, and the rise over run is a 3 over 2. And that's what I just did. Find the slope. Okay, you get it. Okay, next is, oh my god, it's just been so bad. 2 points on a line. And 9 points are -2 and 4 and 3, 6. And the slope formula is
the only way I get my cups to go away is when I get in the shower.
M equals slope always over, and it's y squared minus y1 over x2 x1, and this one is x2, this one's y2, this is x1 and y1. You saw what I did there. And so then you just put those numbers there. So then it's like this, it's like, oh my god, my hand looks. The slope equals 4 minus -6 over -2 minus 3, and 4 minus -6 is 10. 2 minus -2 minus 3 is -5. That equals -2. Okay, now we find the slope with 2 points on the line, and table values is next, and that's table. It's a team chart, and x is run, y is rise, and I have -4, -2, 0, 2, and 4, those numbers. And then you subtract -4 minus -2 is 2. -2 minus 0 is 2. And then 0 minus 2 is 2, I think. And 2 and 4 is 2, and then 2 minus 1 is -1. You subtract 1, right? Like, yeah. -1 and then -1, and there's a pattern, as you can tell. And then the formula is always slope equals rise over run. That is rise over run, and the rise is -1 over the run is 2, and that's your slope. And the equation of a line, it's just an equation like that one on the top, like example 1.
Shut up.
Like that. it's like that. And so the x, the number next to the x is always the slope, and so that is -3/5. That's the slope because it's next to x, and this is just, you just want to find slope, so that's how you do it. And then this one you have to subtract to get y alone, and so you add 4x to each side. Add 4x, and this gets crossed out, and then -8 plus 4x, you can't do that because they're not like terms, and then you just put the 8, so then it's -4x minus 8, and then that equals y, and that's your things. Those are 4 ways to find